Most people don't fail from making money from their skills because they pick the wrong skill. Oftentimes, they fail because they don't know what to sell. They jump into creating courses, building their brands and their websites, and this is not the first step to take because all they actually need is a simple offer. And trust me, I've been there before. Back in the day, I went straight to creating a website, started building out my courses, spent weeks and weeks and weeks creating an entire course. And when it was time for me to launch, guess what? It was crickets. So I know because I've tried this method before. You don't need a website. You don't need to build a brand. You don't need to start building your courses. What you need right now is a simple offer. And by the end of this video, I will teach you exactly what to sell, even if you've never sold anything before. One thing I've noticed is that once people figure out the skill set that they want to monetize, they usually get stuck again. And they get stuck simply because they get to a phase where they're trying to figure out what to sell. So they're like, okay, I know exactly the skill set I want to monetize, but how do I want to go about monetizing this skill? Should I create myself a course? Should I create myself, an ebook? Should I build my website? Should I focus on my brand? And all of that gets them stuck because at the end of the day, they are no longer making progress. And at this stage, you don't need all of that. Honestly, you don't need a business. You don't need a brand. You don't need a website. What you need at this phase is to build a simple offer. Now, what is an offer? An offer is not a product. An offer is not a website. And an offer is not a brand. An offer is exactly what it is that you are selling and who you are selling it to and what transformation are they going to experience. It's that simple. And that's what you need at this phase. That's what you need to figure out because once you have that figured out, you then know exactly who to start selling to and you can start selling right away. Because the truth of the matter is this, if somebody understands exactly what you're selling, who it's for, and what transformation they're going to experience, they will pay for it. But oftentimes, we are not focused on figuring out what that simple offer is. We focus on building a brand, registering our business, creating a course, writing a book, and all of those other things that seem like work, but they don't give you progress and they don't make you the money that you need at this stage. Now, here is a simple way for you to turn your skill set into a simple paid offer. From the skill that you have, I want you to focus on picking one problem that people complain about a lot, right? So let's say, for example, let me use myself as an example, right? So I have the skill set of operations and business, strategy. And so let's assume that I want to monetize that skill set, right? And I want to figure out what I want to sell. I'm going to figure out okay, my target audience are small business owners. From small business owners, what do they complain about the most that I can help them out with, right? So I'm looking at my skill set and I'm trying to narrow it down to a specific complaint and a specific problem so that even though the scope of business owners is quite large, I'm now trying to focus on this specific people who have this specific problem at this point in time, and I'm going to sell to those people. It makes things super easy at this point. Let me give another example. As an agile coach, and I like to use this example a lot because I have quite a number of people on this channel that know me from, that day. As an agile coach, I was selling services to aspiring Scrum Masters who wanted to get Scrum Master jobs and earn six figures, right? So there are lots of people who are unemployed. There are lots of people looking to change their careers. I was not looking for the entire crowd. What was my skill set? I had agile knowledge. I had project management knowledge. And so what could I do with that skill set? I could then help aspiring Scrum Masters, people who wanted the Scrum knowledge and use that knowledge to get a job. My offer was then simply helping aspiring Scrum Masters land their job within the next 90 days. And so with that offer, all I had to do was, train them, coach them, and guide them throughout their job search process until they land themselves a job. So that was my offer. And anyone who came to me at that time knew exactly what I was selling. This is an agile coach. She helps aspiring Scrum Masters to land themselves a Scrum Master job. I didn't need to build myself a website. I didn't need to build myself a brand. I started on YouTube, I started creating content, and people that wanted my offer aligned with me. They found me, they contacted me, and I started to coach them. And in exchange, they paid me. And so that's how it works. It was after the fact that I actually even built a website to make it easier for people to be able to reach out to me. But when I started, it was just me creating content on social media. I created my first video on YouTube, created my first post on Instagram, and that's how we started. That was all I needed once I identified the skill set that I had. And as I've monetized other skill sets, that's the same process. I monetized my interior design, skill set. And what did I do? Once I realized that I had a thing for interior design and I've designed, a couple of my personal spaces, what I did was I figured out, who do I want to help, right? I live in the United States. Many of my businesses are in a different country, Nigeria, that's where I'm from. And so I transformed a lot of my spaces in the country, and I figured out that I could start helping Nigerians in diaspora who bought properties back home and invested in real estate back home to be able to renovate their property so that they don't have to worry about that entire process. I've done it multiple times for myself, and it was easy for me to be able to do it for the next person. And guess what? My client was also somebody that lived in a different country, which is also in the United States, and had a real estate investment back in Nigeria who wanted to upgrade and renovate their house. I knew the specific person I was trying to reach. So now I'm not trying to look for, clients in Nigeria. I'm trying to look for clients who are here with me, who don't have a clue on who's going to help them out back home. And they want someone who they can trust. And because they're not back home, they'll feel more comfortable relating with somebody who is here. You see how I crafted my offer? I still don't have a website today for my interior design studio. And yet I got myself a client and I got myself a very big project that I executed throughout 2025. So it's not as difficult as we make it sound. It gets difficult when we overcomplicate things and we're trying to, do the act of running a business rather than just offering that service and offering a service that people will genuinely pay for. So I don't want you to stress yourself about building a website, trying to figure out the course and whatnot. I want you to just understand what your offer is. Make it as simple as possible. Let's understand who you are trying to sell to. Who are you trying to help? What help are you trying to give to them, and what transformation are they going to get at the end of the day with that skill set that you have? Once you have that identified, it's super easy for you to know who you're looking for. Because when you find them, you will know that I am looking for you. I can help you out. I know exactly what your problem is. I have the solution to that problem. I know what you can do to get out of this pain that you are in. That's the process. It's as simple as that. So let's not overcomplicate things, right? Let us stay true to what truly matters. Everybody wants help. A lot of people around us need help every day, and you have the skill set that will help the next person. So I don't want you to get busy trying to do the work rather than doing the actual work that will pay you. You're already a step ahead. You already know the skill set that you want to monetize. You've already discovered the skill set that you're very good at. And now is the time for you to make that into a simple offer. Identify who that skill set is for, what you can do for them, and what the outcome will be. That's what people care about. And that's what I want you to focus on in this video. And as I wrap up today's video, I want to leave you with this. Making money does not start with you having a gigantic idea or having something so complex or overly complicated. It starts with a simple idea. Who do you want to help? And that's the offer. That's the offer. Who do you want to help? What do you want to help them with? And what will be the outcome after they employ your services? Once you have that figured out, money will come rolling in for you. And I know that it sounds easy, right? Because the process of making money is not as simple. But once you get that part sorted out, it's just a matter of you then being consistent at it for you to make the money that you desire. So let's start doing the work that truly matters. Make sure you grab yourself that paper and that pen that I keep talking about. By this time, you already need to have a book, right? I have my book right here. Make sure you grab yourself your pen and your paper, and your pen, sorry, and document what your simple offer is going to be going forward. So in my next video, we can then start working on how to find the clients that need that offer that you've created. Thank you very much for spending another time with me today. It's always a pleasure. My name remains Yinka Okunlade, and I'll catch you in my next video.